both of them. Finally, there were the case cables, which each went into their own respective spots at the bottom edge of the motherboard. I also plugged in all the fans, and a certain idiot forgot to record that part. And just like that, all of the parts were finally connected. It's kind of poetic in a sense. I spent a while on cable management, then finally plugged in the power connector for the moment of truth. It should work. If I turn this on, it should work. But... I'm so nervous! Yes!
Oh my god.
Oh, let's go! I know, I'm as surprised as you are. I didn't f it up. Let's go! Alright, we're nearly there, stay with me. After plugging in my screen, keyboard, and mouse, and spending way too long trying to set up Windows, I finally installed the OS and all of the necessary drivers. Then I ran a user benchmark test, and this thing knocked my socks off.